Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.